What's up, y'all? So today, doing a Strut Tower Brave install, and yeah, let's get started. There's the box. It's a BMR Strut Tower Brave. It's a chrome moly, which is lighter than steel, but it's also stronger. So, get you guys all set up. And I'm exhausted. John! I need you as a cameraman. Real quickly.
That's your recording?
Yeah. I got these off of Summit, by the way. SummitRacing.com. And I cut the switch open up.
Hell yeah, brother.
Can't find my chain though. I got a 10 carat chain, 14 carat chain, and an 18 carat chain. And
You know, this is something a little light, you feel me? Just a little light right here, you feel me? Oh, nice, dude.
fucking cherry red. Bam.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at that thing.
Now the
You
point
said
of
courtesy of who again? Summit Racing?
Summit Racing is where I ordered it from, but the company is BMR.
Hell
I
yeah.
don't know what it stands for.
BMR, sponsor us, please. Come on now.
They make a lot of parts for Camaros.
Sponsor us. Hey, BMR, come on, man. Sponsor us. We out here. We grinding. We grinding. Oh. What the hell? Yeah, but if anybody's got to hook up on a sponsor, let us know, man. We're always out here trying to do new stuff, do new projects, do new upgrades on the car. So, got a nice little S10 build coming too. Look out for that on the channel. You feel me?
Motor and tranny right there.
Like, look, we're already ready, man. Look, there's the 350. There's the turbo 350. You can't see it because it's under a tarp. But we ready. Come on, man. We just need a sponsor. Bring these videos to y'all. We got the shop. We
Sockets and shit else.
put it in O for onward.
I gotta change the brightness.
All right, let's go to our humble, not finished yet outside garage. We'll have it finished soon, though, y'all. Stay tuned. It's the S10 we're talking about over here. Using it as a storage right now, but you can get it.
Can't find my damn socket. I just need one.
Fuck! To the rescue with the Wendy's, dude. Oh, hell yeah, brother.
We said it at the same time. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
Do it for Dale.
Ooh, look at that beautiful LS1.
Damn, are those even gonna break free? They look all rusted.
Well,
I wonder where this car came from. I don't even know.
as you guys can see, it's just two measly boats that are rusted to all hell. So pray for us, y'all. How do these look? How do those look? These ones don't look too bad over here. Those ones might be real easy.
What size do you think that is?
16.
I was gonna say 16. 16 socket.
What the fuck is wrong with you? God damn it, he's a mechanic but don't got a 16.
16's in the toolbox. I got a 15. 15 works. It's a 15.
Oh, what, dude? You were both wrong. It was a 15. I was gonna say you can grab a 7/16 is like a 12, so I'm not gonna do the math.
It's a 15.
Got those two out, nice and easy. Now pray for us for these two. Oh, thanks for praying, y'all. I appreciate that. Y'all some real ones.
Cool.
You gotta talk right? I was pissing and shitting in the backyard. The one that fucking hikes up on 2 legs to fucking piss every time? Dumbass dog. I love dogs, man, but I don't. Dumb. Stop fucking calling me. You know what I'm saying? People come to be like, you got some dog here. Yeah, when we have like 6 of them that fucking roam around here. And they really pay for us, yo. Appreciate that. Now let's just hope they go back on and easy. I was like,
Clean them up. Make them nice and shiny. Put these ugly ass rusted bolts or nuts back on.
Right, on the nice ass red fucking shock tower brace, dude. Like the inside's all nice. Look at that. The inside of them is all nice and shiny. Rusted as hell.
It's a good look. Baby ladybug.
There goes your bad luck. Look at how difficult this installation is, guys. You must be very careful with this install. It is very difficult. High advanced knowledge is required. Alright, it looks like apparently gotta take out this bracket here.
That bolt that was down there and that little circle right there. The T50 Torx.
Oh, you gotta love them pieces of shit.
It should just pop up, I believe.
Just like that, fellas. And ladies, if you are watching. Bam. Wabam. Like I said, guys, professionals only on this job. That was a very difficult install. One of the most difficult installs I've ever done.
that is sarcasm, guys. Okay, I can take that plastic. What the hell, so much stuff? I don't need that. Nope, don't need that, I guess. I'm gonna say when that act as the fucking arm piece.
Just need a little TLC.
There are 2 washers on. Both sides. Ugly ass nut back on. We're gonna come back later and I'm gonna clean these up, probably off camera. But for the sake of this easy video, and I'm not really in work clothes right now.
Yeah, my boy is suited and booted. Oh, look at damn cuz. There you go, ready to steal your bitch. And be careful. If she's at the meets, she for the streets, you feel me?
Unless she's with you.
Unless she's with you at the meets, but still, she for the streets. Guys, we're just gonna button up these bolts, and then we'll show you guys the finished product. Hell yeah, brother.
Alright. All finished. Cheap, cost effective move. In my last video, I showed y'all that it was hitting the hood. I had to raise the hood stops up so the hood sits a little bit higher. That should help the car from doing this type of shit. Keep it more grounded and solid, sturdy. Especially if you're out swinging, you should notice the difference. But yeah. Next video, we got sway bars for sure. And I got a muffler on the, or sorry to hear. And we got 2 control arms for the rear, lower control arms, and a hand hard bar, and they're all red. So
hell yeah, brother. I'm ready for that shit.
be ready.